अगर आपकी उम्र 40 साल की है और अगर आप अब सोच रहे हो कि स्किन के लिए कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स या कुछ ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट करने चाहिए, देन दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू. My name is Dr. Jalpa and I'm the founder and medical director at Clarity Skin Clinic. Today I'm going to help you develop a skincare routine and get on to the skincare journey. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम हमेशा क्लिनिक जाके ट्रीटमेंट्स करें. There is a lot you can do at home that works as anti-aging, that works as anti-pigmentation और जो आपकी स्किन को यंगर और हेल्दियर लगने में मदद करेगी. So let's begin. If you're 40, one thing you start noticing is that आपकी स्किन ड्राई लग रही है, डल लग रही है. धीरे धीरे as we progress, fine lines आने लगते हैं, open pores दिखने शुरू हो जाते हैं. Some people even get pigmentation. Beyond a certain age or maybe around 45-50, you may also start seeing a lot of volume loss plus sagging. Now, volume loss, sagging, these are issues which actually will need treatments. पर जो इनिशियल एजिंग चेंजेस हैं जैसे ओपन पॉज, फाइन लाइंस, पिगमेंटेशन, डलनेस, ड्राई स्किन, इनको घर पर अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करके बहुत अच्छे से मेंटेन या इम्प्रूव किया जा सकता है. सो व्हाट इज़ द स्किन केयर रूटीन दैट यू मस्ट बिगिन विथ? You don't necessarily have to do a 10-step routine or a 14-step routine to make your skin look good. There are basic principles that you must follow and it will take you a long way. So what are the basic steps that you begin with? First is cleansing. Make sure you're not using a cleanser that has that foams. You should try and use non-foaming cleanser. Cleansers that contain hydrating ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, vitamins. Make sure you're not using a cleanser that is foaming. You should opt for non-foaming cleansers because ये skin के लिए hydrating होते हैं. Make sure they contain things like ceramides and vitamin C so that when you wash your face, after washing, the skin does not feel dry and stretched. Let's begin with talking about the daytime routine. So in the daytime, after a good cleansing, you should apply a serum that contains an antioxidant. Vitamin C बहुत अच्छा antioxidant है. ये आपकी skin को protect करता है from sun damage. Also, it helps pigmentation, fine lines, open pores. Vitamin C का एक layer लगाकर आप, अगर आपकी skin बहुत dry है, you could put another layer of hyaluronic acid, which is a hydrating as well as anti-aging ingredient. इसके ऊपर डे टाइम में सनस्क्रीन लगाना absolutely mandatory हो जाता है. So you can use a SPF that is gel based or mineral based in the daytime because ये लाइट होते हैं, ये आपको आपके पोर्स को क्लॉग नहीं करते हैं. यू विल नॉट फील ऑयली, यू वोंट फील लाइक अ लेयर दैट्स कवरिंग योर स्किन, सो दैट फील्स मच बेटर. अगर स्किन बहुत ड्राई है, आप सनस्क्रीन के पहले भी मॉइस्चराइजर लगा सकते हैं. People who do not like to wear makeup all the time may opt for tinted sunscreens. They also work very well and give a makeup-like finish. Most important, sunscreen application has to be redone at 3 to 4 hours. That is something which you should not forget. Any weather, whether you're indoor, outdoor, you must reapply the sunscreen in 3 to 4 hours because sunscreen 3 to 4 hours तक ही काम करता है. If you're somebody who's working from home and a lot in front of the screens, even then sunscreen becomes very, very important. So make sure you're reapplying your sunscreen again in the afternoon. Now coming to the night routine. So night routine, again wash your face with the non-foaming cleanser. उसके बाद आप hyaluronic acid लगा सकते हैं which is again hydrating and anti-aging. आप hyaluronic acid हमेशा थोड़ी सी damp skin पे लगाएं, not on completely dry skin because it helps to trap in the moisture and that adds to the hydration. Followed by hyaluronic acid, you can use an anti-aging ingredient, retinol being the best. So retinol is an anti-aging ingredient or a molecule that helps to improve the appearance of fine lines, open pores. ये आपकी skin के collagen को stimulate करता है. But retinol can be drying. So if your skin is very dry, आप हफ्ते में 2 बार से शुरू करें, then gradually build it up to 3 times a week, 4 times a week, and then once your skin takes it well, then you make it every day. So after hyaluronic acid, you can put retinol. Follow this up with a heavy moisturizer. So your night moisturizer can be a rich, heavy cream which contains ceramides, hyaluronic acid, peptides. These help to seal in the moisture and also keep your skin very well hydrated. Apart from using topical products, few things you could do internally that will also help to improve your skin as well as hair. Certain supplements you can add to your daily routine. One being collagen. So collagen comes as powders which you mix in water and just drink it once a day. So it really works to improve the fine lines, wrinkles, open pores, and adds a very nice glow to your skin. Marine collagen is what works for the skin. So if you're somebody who does not want to take anything that is not vegetarian, then this one you'll have to skip, because it's marine collagen that works for the skin. Apart from collagen, you could also think of adding glutathione, which is a master antioxidant. Glutathione helps pigmentation, so helps to lighten and brighten the skin. Along with that, it works as an antioxidant, so helps to prevent sun damage, and it adds value to the effect of collagen. Collagen and glutathione together work wonderfully well. Again, apart from supplements and products, few things which are very, very important to have a healthy skin and hair is your lifestyle. So make sure you're eating healthy, you're exercising regularly, strength training becomes very important, protein intake is important, and last but not the least, a good sleep. So 8 hours of sleep daily really works well for the skin and hair. For more such information on skincare, subscribe to our channel on YouTube and also follow us on Instagram. See you in the next video.